Part 1. Broke is normal. Working a job appears like a noble thing to do. Getting up early in the morning, kissing your spouse goodbye, driving to work for $30 an hour doesn't sound too bad. It will get you a nice car, a lovely house, and food in the refrigerator. What happens when you spend more than you make? It doesn't matter how much you make. If you are drawing a weekly or bi-weekly income and overspending, you will be among the millions of people living paycheck to paycheck. This is what is known as being broke. Being broke is normal. Think about it. Do you want to be normal, or do you want to be debt-free and rich? Is sitting in a cubicle all day or exerting hard work in a factory really what you want to be doing? There are two types of people, the wealthy and the normal, the 1% and the 99%. The 1% have massive savings and investments and the freedom to do what they want, the freedom to travel and live life as they see fit. The 99%, which I assume since you are watching this video that you belong to this group and are looking for ways to better your situation, are the ones who have probably gone to college, have very little if no savings, and work a full-time job. How did the 1% do it? Is it possible for you to become a millionaire as well? The answer is a resounding yes. You can do anything you want to do. You have to want it bad enough. You have to be willing to make sacrifices and endure what is to come. It's a hard road to becoming a millionaire, but it is worth it. If you want to learn how to obtain the 1% status, watch until the end of the video as we will reveal the truth that no one tells you. If you would like to learn more after this video, please like this video and subscribe. Hit the bell notification. Part 2. Misconceptions about money. Before discussing how to become a millionaire, we need to talk about the misconceptions that people have about money that keep you from becoming financially independent. The first misconception is that you need an expensive education to get a good job. Society has dictated over and over to us that borrowing money for college to get a good job is needed to survive in today's economy. Borrowing money for anything is a bad idea. The borrower is a slave to the lender. Owing money will never make you rich. There is nothing wrong with getting a job, but working a 9-to-5 is not the best way to become a millionaire. Here is why. If you worked a job for $20 an hour for 40 hours a week, it would take more than 24 years to accumulate $1 million if you didn't have any taxes or expenses. In all practicality, even with a 401k, it would take you 40 years to amass $1 million with a yearly contribution of $5,000. It's not a very good plan to work your fingers to the bone for years on end to retire, in my opinion. So basically, if you are not in your 20s, you have no chance of creating $1 million from trading time for money. Fortunately, there are many ways to build wealth without waiting for the end of time. Let's discuss the possibilities. Part 3. Changing your behaviors. How are there self-made millionaires at such young ages? They are no different than you. Self-made millionaires understand how money works and have stuck with their goals to see it through. It's time to change the way you have looked at money your whole life. Stop chasing the money and let the money come to you. Changing your perceived value changes your perceived worth. If you work in a restaurant as a fry cook, your perceived value is low because you receive pay equal to the other fry cooks. Anyone can do that job. If you leave the company, it doesn't matter to them. There is a replacement outside waiting to come in and do the job. But, if you are a lawyer that has studied hard for the bar exam and has an impeccable record in court, you will be paid what you are worth. However, it is not necessary to become a lawyer to get $1 million. Finding your niche and mastering it will raise your perceived value and lead you in the right direction. How do you find that niche? There must be a market for that niche to get people to spend money that will eventually end up in your pocket. If you find this market, you will be paid highly for your services. Finding your niche will require some dedicated research on your part. You will need to be able to solve a problem. To make $1 million, you need to be able to solve $1 million problem. Jeff Bezos is a billionaire, and his business solved $1 billion problem from his garage. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do anything they set their mind to. It isn't money you should be chasing, it's the solution to a problem. Part 4, Where to Start. The absolute first step in becoming a millionaire is to take action. Money is not going to jump into your bank account unless you do something to make it happen. Just learning how to make money is not good enough. Start today. There is no better time than the present. Find your first stream of income that will propel you on your way to wealth. Any income method is a business and should be treated as such. It requires dedication, just like going to a job. However, you are the boss. Nobody can tell you what to do or how to run your business. It is all up to you. Set your goals to find passive income. Passive income is income generated while you sleep, vacation, or spend time with your family and friends. Here are 5 business ideas that, once established, will become passive income. If you are broke, start with number 1 and work your way up. Number 1, YouTube. If you have paid attention to the YouTube market, you have seen that YouTube can be very lucrative with the right niche. Some niches pay much higher than others and can turn a broke person into a wealthy person combined with other income streams. Even YouTube alone can generate 6 figures a year in a short amount of time. YouTube is a great start because the upfront investment is $0. The only expenses you have are your time, computer, and internet provider. There is video editing software available that is completely free, so there is absolutely no reason not to start a YouTube channel. Number 2, affiliate marketing. You may or may not have heard the term affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? It is a process in which an affiliate, you, gets commissions for marketing someone else's product. You don't have to design anything, sell anything, or own anything. The company you are the affiliate with sells a product to a customer you sent to their website for goods or services. There may be some upfront costs, such as advertising with Google or Facebook and email software. However, affiliate marketing can be used in conjunction with your YouTube channel and still create a passive income with no money down. Number 3, automated POD dropshipping. What is POD? POD is an acronym for print on demand, which is a fulfillment process that dropships products to customers after the sale is made. When the customer selects and pays for that item from your store, your print provider prints the t-shirt, mug, hoodie, or hundreds of other print-on-demand items you choose to put in your store. You will never have to store, ship, or manage any inventory. This business model is completely automated except for the design process, which you can hire someone on Fiverr.com to do for you. There will be some upfront costs for store opening and advertising, but no costs are incurred in the printing process until the customer pays for the item. This business model can also be advertised on your YouTube channel. Number 4, investing with dividends. Investing with dividends is an investment strategy that will give you 2 sources of potential profit. The first source is the stock appreciation over time. The second source is the regular dividend payments. With enough investment, the dividends can provide a steady income for you that can be used to live on or reinvest in your businesses. The dividends can also be used to reinvest in the same stocks to achieve higher potential profits and dividends. The dividend stock strategy is a popular choice for investors because of the lower risks involved. Dividends-paying stocks are some of the least volatile. However, they can still be risky, and you should take every precaution while taking the time to learn about dividend stock investment. Number 5, day trading. We listed day trading as number 5 because it is the riskiest and most volatile of the 5 businesses we recommend to becoming a millionaire. What is day trading? Day trading is when you buy and sell stocks within the same day. The stocks are bought low and sold high. This can even be done multiple times per day. Day trading is not a hobby and should not be taken lightly. Serious research must be done and all precautions taken to avoid financial losses. When day trading is properly executed, it is a very lucrative opportunity. Begin learning how to day trade now without actually spending money, and by the time you are ready for real, you will be on your way to being a millionaire. Part 5. Conclusion. I cannot say this enough: take action. Dreaming is good, but dreams are just that. It takes the initiative on your part to begin the process and to see it through. There are no excuses for not taking the first step. Begin your research by searching Google and YouTube. These avenues are your best bet for free learning. Udemy and paid courses can also help you with your journey to knowledge in your particular niche. We will discuss in further detail how to implement the methods listed in part 4 of this video in future videos, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss a single episode. Take action. Dare to dream.